Yeah, we're back from Tamworth. It's going to be pretty short one of these videos because there wasn't a whole lot of issues on Saturday night with the car. Yeah, look at the front of it. The change. We don't really have to rebuild the nose cone like always. And the sides. It's all pretty straight. There was two issues we noticed on Saturday night. Minor issues. One of them was the all pressure light there was playing up. Sometimes it was coming on for no reason, wouldn't come on. So we'll check the wiring on that. And the other thing was some of the heats were coming back from the track and it seemed to be revving a bit hard, which is probably not a huge issue. Yeah, better have it idle a bit high and a bit low. Let's turn on now, see how it sounds. That seems okay. We'll just have to get the wiring it off next couple of days, and we'll just see if we can find any air leaks or anything getting in there to make it rev harder. Turn that off anyhow. Make it a bit quieter. So yeah, it's a pretty short video today. All we're gonna do is check that oil light, see if you can find why it was revving hard, which of course it isn't doing now, like all these things. Give it a proper wash. You gave it a bit of hose off earlier, and we're good to go for Tamworth Speedway on the 1st of March. I think is the next one we've got coming up. So we're going to work towards that. And as always, make sure to like the video, make any comments, any suggestions, subscribe to the channel. Like, more people are watching the videos and have subscribed. So yeah, the more subscriptions the better, so that'd be good if you do us a favour and subscribe. As I said last time, anyone getting 15-inch tyres, send me a message. Anyhow, we'll get back to through the week and get on them couple of problems and be ready for Canada.